Beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to create Hayat makeup look. She's from the drama Aas Laftar. I was getting so much request to create her look, so I decided to do. Here I am mixing face serum into my foundation. So I mixed biotic face serum into my foundation for more hydration so to my skin. So here I am just applying foundation all over my face. So I'm using foundation which is similar to my skin tone, and after that I'm just going to blend it. Hayat's skin tone is really fair and she is just flawless, and her skin is also bronze too, so I'm just going to create such look. So after blending all my foundation, I'm just going to add the same foundation under my eyes as concealer, and I will adding it on my eyes and in my lip area also, just to conceal it. I'm just blending it my finger only to get some more coverage, so just apply a very little amount. So now I'm just going to fill my eyebrow with help of a brown eyeshadow. So I'm just filling the gaps because she has a really natural kind of eyebrows. So I'm just blending the color to achieve that natural look. So I am trying my hard to create this look. So after that, to create flawless skin, I'm just going to bake my skin. I'm just applying powder under my eyes and my jaw area. After applying powder, I'm just going to keep for 10 minutes, and after that I'm just going to dust all the extra powder off. So the trick is that after doing that, I will be getting more coverage under my eyes and jaw area, as you can see. So here I'm just going to contour like Haya. She has, and my jaw area too, she has really flawless bronze skin. So here I'm using colors and bronzer. I'm applying it on my cheek areas and my jawline also. So after applying bronzer, here I am applying the highlighting brick on my jaws and over my temples also. This area is called temples and my jawline too. After that, moving to eyes, I'm just applying the light brown eyeshadow as a base to all over my eyes. So she has a very natural kind of eye look, so we have to achieve that. So after that, I'm just going to blend all the eyeshadow to cancel the harsh edges. After that, here I'm using the Patanjali kajal under my waterline. So basically her kajal is like you have to apply under the waterline to achieve this look. So here I have got some product over my eyes, so I am going to correct it after completing my eye makeup. So after that, I'm using the same kajal with help of the, and after that I'm just applying the same eyeshadow all over the eye to for correcting the product which I applied accidentally while I applying the kajal in upper waterline. So after correcting the eyeshadow, I'm just going to apply the thick coat of mascara. This is the 3D mascara which I purchased from Amazon. If you want to buy such mascara, I'm just going to give a link in the description box. So after that, I'm just going to mix these two lipstick for creating such matte lipstick like Hayat. So here I'm starting with the light pink lipstick from Lakme 9 to 5, and that I have just added some orange tint above the pink lipstick. So here this is the complete look of the Hayat makeup look. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.